In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix your microphone if it's not working on Windows 10. Start by opening the Windows Start menu and clicking the gear icon. Go to the Privacy settings. Select the microphone option from the side pane. Enable the option to allow apps to access your microphone. If there is a particular app that your microphone isn't working for, then make sure to enable the setting here. Scroll down and enable the Allow Desktop Apps option. If your microphone still isn't working, then right-click the speaker icon in the corner and choose Sounds. Switch to the Recording tab, then select your microphone. Set it as default if it isn't already. Right-click on it and make sure it is enabled. If it says Enable, then select that and your microphone will be working. Alternatively, open the microphone properties. Switch to the Levels tab and make sure the microphone is turned up. Typically, you would want this above 85. Test your microphone. If you're still having issues, then switch to the Advanced tab. Select the drop menu and try using a different sample rate. You can Google your microphone sample rate to make sure you're using the right setting. Apply any changes. If this doesn't solve the issue, then disable the exclusive mode. Apply and close. Right-click on the speaker icon and open Sound Settings. Scroll down and open the Device Preferences. Make sure the second menu is set to default on all of your applications. Go back. Click the Troubleshoot button under the Input heading. Select your device, then click Next. Fix any issues that it finds. If the microphone still isn't working, then open the Windows Start menu. Search for and open the Device Manager. Expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers heading. Find your microphone, then right-click and choose to Update Driver. Search automatically and complete any updates it finds. Next, you will want to make sure your microphone isn't muted on the device itself. Some microphones have a mute button that you may have accidentally pressed. Try clicking the button to toggle the mute on/off if so. The final option is to uninstall the device. With the Device Manager open, right-click on your microphone and choose to Uninstall Device. Restart your computer and the drivers should reinstall automatically. If they don't, then simply unplug your microphone and plug it back in. If the drivers are still missing, then you can click the Scan for Hardware Changes button at the top of the Device Manager to locate it. Your microphone will now be fixed on Windows 10.